Look at those roots. Those nasty, ugly ass blonde roots. Oh my gosh, I need to dye my hair. And hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing another purse unboxing, and as you can probably tell by my little theme today with the red sweater, the red lipstick, and the like semi-reddish eyeshadow, that is going to be the color of the purse today. But I'm not going to say any more than that, even though the title does give away what brand of purse we're going to be unboxing. For those of you who maybe do or do not know, I am someone who has a very, I guess you could say it is kind of like large. I have a pretty decent size Michael Kors purse collection. It is a passion of mine. Bags are something that I just, I gravitate towards. I love. It's an investment for me. It's fun for me. It's just something like when I can spoil myself, it's either going to be getting a tattoo or it's going to be buying a purse. There's something about purses. I love them. I like doing these unboxing videos because I think they're super fun, and especially in a few years when I can go back on them and look at them. Before we do get into the video, I did want to let you guys know a few things about my appearance today. The lipstick that I'm wearing is a velour liquid lipstick by Jeffree Star. This is in the shade Wifey, and my red sweater is also Michael Kors today. So we're rocking it out, but that is where this is from. This was a Christmas present from my best friend, and seriously you guys, like Michael Kors sweaters, like it feels like I'm wrapped in silk. Like this feels so good. Seriously, it looks like I'm going gray. Oh my gosh, I look like an old lady. This is weird. Doesn't that totally look like gray hair? And that's not foundation. That's just my like blonde hair, and it looks gray up against my black hair. Oh my god, that's so wild. Anyway, without getting distracted, so one of my favorite sites to go on to buy designer bags is Tradesy. I am constantly on there. I'm constantly bookmarking and saving things. If you guys don't know what it is, basically it is a website where you can go and find very gently used, pre-loved designer bags. They have everything from Gucci, Dior, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, pretty much anything you can think of they sell on there. I know this kind of sounds like an ad, but it's not sponsored. They're not sponsoring me. They don't know who I am. I'm just a very, avid shopper and avid looker on the site, and I love going on there. I actually got my very first dream Chanel bag on Tradesy, and I will forever use them whenever I want to go on and get another designer bag. And I found this bag on that website, and it was actually, now I was not looking for this bag. I was looking for a name of one of my other Michael Kors bags because I was talking to my sister about it and I couldn't remember the name. So of course I went on Google, typed everything in. I was scrolling trying to find the name of it, and I came across this bag, and immediately it caught my eye. I was like, what? What is that? I need to know the name of that. I need to buy that right now. Click on it, I'm looking at it, and I realize, oh my god, I'm on Tradesy right now. It's like, awesome. So, I look at the seller's information, and I look at the price, and I'm looking at the pictures of this bag, and I'm like, that's a pretty decently priced bag. Like, I would totally pay that much for a Michael Kors bag. I have paid that much, if not more, for a Michael Kors bag in the past. And I'm looking at the pictures and I realized this bag, brand new with tags, never been opened. Literally, they took a picture, put it on Tradesy, I bought it. So I'm getting literally a brand new Michael Kors bag off of Tradesy. That's another really cool thing, is you can find a lot of needle in a haystacks, where a lot of these are like almost basically brand new. So this bag was around two something, but with shipping and with sales tax and everything, because shipping was included, with sales tax and everything, it was a total of $307.39. So just kind of keep that in mind. Yes, it is an expensive bag. No, it is not a necessity. A passion of mine. So yeah, with all of that good stuff out of the way, we can go ahead and get to unboxing this. I am so excited. It is pretty decently weighed. I think it's like 3 pounds or something like that. The other. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is literally literally brand new with tags. Oh my gosh. So right when I open the box, here's what it looks like on the inside. Do we have something in here? I don't know. And I'm going to pull it out of the box. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think this marks my 11th or 12th Michael Kors bag, and I'm not exaggerating. I did recently do an updated Michael Kors purse collection. If you guys haven't seen it and you want to see it, I will link it up in the corner, whichever corner it pops out of, and you can check it out. So I have never seen this Michael Kors purse before, and when I saw that it was new with tags, like, I had to get it. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Oh my gosh, it smells so new. Before I show you guys what the actual bag looks like, I did just pull the tag off of it, and it looks like the original price of this bag was $348. So here's what it looks like, and when you remove the paper, oh my gosh, this feels so good. All right, guys, and here is the bag all unwrapped. Oh my god, it is so freaking cute. The name of this bag is, this is the Michael Kors Sophie Hippie Grommet bag, and this is in the dark red shade. Here's an up-close view of it. It is a really, like, small, decent size. What really caught my eye about this bag is the little stitching around the edges of it. So it's like that on this side, and it's like that on this side as well. On the front here, we have the little Michael Kors emblem right here, which basically comes on all the bags. Not all the bags, but a majority of the bags that I have come with this little, like, emblem right here. It either comes like this or on the actual bag. So here it is, kind of next to my body. So it is a smaller bag. It is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm not mad at that. It also did come with the long red strap, which you can put on these little guys right here. So you can wear it as like a crossbody bag or a longer shoulder bag. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh. So it actually comes with a dust bag, which, I mean, it should. It's new with tags, right? But it comes with the little Michael Kors dust bag right here. So, okay, so there's actually more space in here than I thought there was going to be. Here is what the bag looks like on the inside. It looks like we have two little pockets right here, and then we have a zip enclosure right here. Yeah, I mean, this feels like a pretty sturdy bag. Like, I mean, this bag feels like it would last a lifetime. The one thing that I'm noticing that this is very unique from all of my other Michael Kors bags is the leather on the front, like this leather right here, if it will focus, there we go. It almost has like a cracked appearance to it. It is a very unique look. It definitely gives it kind of like an aged look, which I'm not mad at. I do not own a bag with this texture of leather on there, so that is really cute. I like how thin the handles are. This just feels like a very comfortable bag to, you know, walk around in, hold, all that stuff. It looks like there is going to be enough room for all of my belongings that I keep in my purse. And the zipper on the outside of the bag, again, very sturdy. When it comes to buying bags, I don't just like blindly buy them. I'm not just like, I want to buy a new bag today, I'll take this one. That's not how it is. I literally have to be either in the store or scrolling online, and I literally have to see a bag that is going to stop me in my tracks. Like, that is exactly what this one did. What really caught my eye is how just badass this looks. I love the stitching right here. The bottom of the bag does not have the little metal safety things, so you have to kind of be a little bit aware of where you set this bag, because that's another thing I want you guys to keep in mind is I never buy beyond my means. Like I said, I always make sure my bills are paid, I make sure my dogs are fed and taken care of and healthy before I spend money on myself. Whenever I spend money on myself, it's when everything else is taken care of. I never, you know, go into debt. I never put things on credit cards unless I know I can pay them off. That's just another thing to keep in mind. I got my first Michael Kors bag in 2015, so it's been 5 years. of overtime just collecting, and a lot of the bags that I have I got on sale or on clearance. So that's another really cool thing is if you have a bag that you're interested in, put on that bag, and when it goes on sale, goes on clearance, it'll be much more worth it. So I just want you guys to keep all of that stuff in mind. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the new addition to the collection. I'm gonna have to like come up with a new way of storing my bags because we're very quickly running out of room in my closet. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more purse unboxings or shoe unboxings or, you know, whatever, go down in the comments and let me know. If you guys did enjoy this video, also make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. I do upload every 3 to 4 days on this channel. I love you guys so much, but until then, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys.